you like climbing stairs? Today, we are going to draw a colorful staircase together. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's start.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Start by drawing the base of the stair. Good job! Now, draw zigzag lines to form the stair shape. Excellent! Draw another zigzag line parallel to the first one.
Please subscribe my channel. Please.
Wow, it already looks like stairs. Now, let's complete the stair by drawing horizontal lines. These are the steps. Next, draw the top part of the stair. Again, draw zigzag lines. Now, add horizontal lines to make the top steps. Perfect! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome! Isn't it beautiful?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's show our color pens. Purple color.
Wow!
Violet color. Blue color. Green color.
Please subscribe my channel. Please. Please, please.
Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Wow! So colorful and bright. Awesome work! You did an amazing job today. Keep drawing and keep smiling. Hello, little artists! Today, we are going to draw a super cool rainbow staircase. Let's start drawing.
Yay!
Okay, friends. First, we draw the side railings of the staircase. Draw a big curved line going up. Now, draw another curved line next to it. Great! These are two parallel curved walls of our staircase. Awesome job! Now, let's make the stairs. Start from the bottom. Draw a small horizontal line inside the walls. Now, go a little up. Draw another horizontal line. Keep going up, step by step, line by line.
Please subscribe my channel. Please. Please, please.
Wow, look at that! Our staircase steps are coming to life. Make sure all your steps connect nicely to the sides. And nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Trace around the staircase slowly and carefully. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Yay! Now it's time for the best part, coloring. Show your color pens. We are using rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color.
Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please.
Blue color. Purple color. Your staircase looks so bright and beautiful. Amazing work, little artists. You drew a rainbow staircase all by yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers
Yay!
Art Hub for more fun drawings. See you in the next art adventure. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.